Have you ever had a workout and immediately knew you were going to be in trouble the next day? Well, did that today. Hey, CCJD here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 secrets to post workout recovery, especially if you did an intense workout. So, I guess I should preface this by saying I went a little overboard this morning. So Jason and I discovered yesterday that there's this really great outdoor workout area really close to our new place. And we said, let's set an alarm, let's get out there, let's do this thing. And so we did. And I said, like there's like outdoor equipment. So there's like a little elliptical and bike, and there's like things that you can do some body weight exercises off of. There's a basketball court, an outdoor track, a skating rink, all these things, right? There's fitness classes upstairs. I mean, it's awesome, and it's right by our house. So like, duh, take advantage of that. That's important. Well, I for some reason I was like, I'm gonna walk, right? This is something that I can do. I'm gonna do some laps today, get myself into gear, and then I kept staring at the bleachers. Like I have never done bleachers in my life. Like I'm not an athlete in that way, but something kept saying, Cece, go do that, and it was not necessarily um, something that I still wish I did, right? So I said, okay, when I finish this lap, I'm going out there. Let me know if you've ever run bleachers, walked bleachers, done that in your life. So I finished my lap and I couldn't, let myself down and not do what I just promised myself to do. So up I go. Up I go. I go up to the top of the bleachers and I'm like, holy crap, what was I thinking, girl? What are you doing? Why are you doing this? But I didn't let the negative self talk defeat me. I did those dang bleachers. And when I was done, I stretched, I headed back home, and I immediately felt the pain. I started to feel the pain already setting in. So just like I'm sharing these tips with you, I'm sharing these today because I need them too, right? Like what do you do when you do an intense workout? Or maybe you haven't worked out in a little while and you're getting back in the groove of things, but you don't want that workout that you did, that intense workout that you did to knock you out the game for the rest of the week, right? Like I need to get up in the morning and still work out. So what can I do? Well, I've got some tips for you. So secret number 1, they say respect the fuel window, right? So I did some research online and they said basically that 15 minutes to an hour right after your workout is prime time for fueling your muscles so that they can start with the repair process. So you want to make sure that you're taking care of that immediately, right? Like I'm typically somebody who will wait to eat, but you want to do something, okay? You want to make sure that your muscles have what they need to repair so that you can get back out there. Thanks for the love, guys. I appreciate you. Secret number 2, and this one is really important. Make sure that what you're using during this window is actually easy to digest, right? So the article is explaining that your muscles need blood to deliver the nutrients to them, right? That's an important factor that is necessary. Now, if you've got a lengthy digestive process happening because you just ate some huge massive meal, right? You're eating processed meats, for example, processed foods. These things take a lot more energy away from the recovery process. So you want to make sure that you're doing something that's easy to digest. They actually recommended drinking your fuel in this case. If the nutrients go directly to your body, they can sort of bypass the whole digestive process. So make sure that you've got something good. Luckily for me, I went in my cabinet and we still had some of our post recovery drinks. So I had that within my window and I was like set. Number 3, this was they were talking about the state of your body after you work out. So they were saying when you do intense workout and your muscles are starting to break down and all these things, you're actually creating an acidic state in your body. So it's important that you alkalize essentially. So what do you need to be eating, right? That's what's important. You want to stay away from foods that are also acidic. So I know you're not going to want to hear this, but dairy is actually quite acidic. So you want to make sure that you're eating things like greens, fresh fruits, alkalizing fruits. So they recommended like leafy greens, sprouted vegetables, lime, lemon, coconut water. These are all things that can help alkalize if you're doing some intense workouts. So that are three secrets to help you recover post workout, especially if it's a crazy workout. I also added a CBD square to my behind because I could feel my legs already getting sore. So I just gave myself that little extra little something to help with pain. But if you're somebody who is doing some working out and you're trying to figure out what you should be eating to fuel your body, shoot me a message and I'll send you over 7 foods that help with post workout recovery. Otherwise, I look forward to chatting with you soon. Ciao.